Excuse me, sir.
Oh, the fuck you doing in my driveway?
I'm a little lost. My GPS is giving me a problem. Can you tell me where 21 Burnett Street in Livingston, New Jersey?
This is West Orange over here. You gotta take Northfield Avenue.
Mr. Sardino, I could see you now. What will it be today?
Give me a fucking shave and shut the fuck up.
Who's the tough guy now?
I thought you said he was going to be here today.
He is going to be here today. I told you, I got a guy on the inside. He says both New York and New Jersey has a meeting here today.
We've been here since 5 o'clock in the morning, and I don't see shit.
David, come on, don't be impatient. You know how these surveillances take time. You should know that. You know what you got to do? Hey, wait a second. That's his car right there.
That's him, getting out of the car. Mark Cavallo, the most powerful mob boss in New Jersey.
Where are these guys? I don't know. Should I give them a call? Never mind. Vincenzo, please, sit. Vincenzo, I want to personally thank you for coming to Jersey today for this sit down. It's very, very important.
I just want to stop the bloodshed between our families.
Spoken of a true gentleman. This war is costing us a lot of money.
Well, as of this morning, I called a complete ceasefire of my whole crew.
Vincenzo, you truly are a gentleman and a man of your word.
To that end, I propose 2 business points in good faith.
Shoot.
Nice choice of words, boss.
Yeah.
We're looking for one casino, 25% of one of your casinos in Atlantic City.
You got it.
We'd like to put an upscale Italian eatery in that casino.
That's it?
Not quite. See, we're not going to kick up any money, but your entire crew is welcome to wine and dine on us.
Sounds fair. Okay.
We have one more proposal from you.
We're looking for another 25% from New York Carpenters Pension Fund.
It'll be my pleasure to up your end, Marco.
No, hold on, wait a minute, boss. Are you trying to tell me that what we're kicking up ain't enough?
Hey, Nick, you ever hear friggin' inflation?
Hey, Consoletti, ever hear of being too friggin' greedy?
Oh, I think you better take it down a notch, tough guy.
Sit the fuck there. Trying to get yourself fucking clipped. Smarten up.
I'm sorry, gentlemen, for this unnecessary outburst. My decision is final.
You know something? The Caval fans have been shitting on us for years and I'm tired of it. Fuck this.
Hey, what the fuck is the matter with you?
Get off me, Mike.
What the hell's wrong with you? Talking to our family like that. I think this fucking punk has a death wish.
Hey guys, what's going on? I don't want any problems. You?
Get your fucking ass behind that bar and swing up some drinks.
No problem.
Who the fuck do you think you're talking to? Embarrassing my family like that. You're talking like your Don's not here. You're lucky I'd whack you myself.